Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being patient with me. I've been in and out of getting infusions done and not feeling the greatest since it's getting hotter and hotter in Texas. Anyway, I figured I'd just throw up a quick video of cleaning up my master bedroom and give you guys a little bit of motivation. And you will see that I did get a new toy that I'm so excited about. And it's the Shark Genesis Steam Mop, and it has made my life so much easier. So if you're new here, thank you for coming to watch. If you've been with me, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. Please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps out my channel and is completely free. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers before my birthday in July. All right, let's get some good music going and get some cleaning motivation.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came? Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say? And we'll shout it out, louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. perfect as you are, just the way you are.